Nestled on the eastern coast of India, the Sun Temple at Konark stands as a monumental testament to ancient ingenuity. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not merely a structure, it is a poem in stone celebrating the sun god Surya. Its breathtaking architecture and profound symbolism continue to captivate historians, artists, and spiritual seekers alike. The temple's origins trace back to the 13th century CE, around 1250, under the patronage of King Narasimhadeva I. He belonged to the powerful Eastern Ganga dynasty, whose reign marked a golden age of art and architecture in Odisha. Dedicated to Surya, the sun god, the temple reflects a deep reverence for the celestial body, central to life and culture. European sailors once called it the Black Pagoda, using its towering silhouette as a crucial navigational landmark. Konark exemplifies the Kalinga architectural style, renowned for its grandeur, intricate detail, and symbolic depth. The entire temple complex is conceived as a colossal chariot designed to carry the sun god across the heavens. It rests on 12 pairs of exquisitely carved wheels, each approximately 12 feet in diameter. These wheels are believed to represent the 24 hours of a day. 7 majestic horses, richly decorated, appear to pull this celestial vehicle. They symbolize the 7 days of the week or the 7 colors of the rainbow guiding the sun's journey. The main structures included the towering Vimana or Sanctum Tower, which once reached 70 meters high but now lies in ruins. The Jagamohana, the audience hall, still stands, showcasing the temple's original splendor. The Nat Mandir or dance hall once graced the front, though it has largely collapsed over time. The temple is built entirely from condylite rocks, meticulously carved. Its surfaces are adorned with detailed sculptures depicting gods, celestial dancers, musicians, and various animals. Scenes of courtly life, daily routines, and intricate erotic carvings also enrich the stonework. The chariot concept itself is a profound allegory for the sun god's journey across the sky. Like Khajuraho, Konark features intricate erotic sculptures believed to represent tantric practices aiding spiritual progression. Remarkably, the wheels of the temple also function as accurate sundials capable of predicting time with precision. The Sun Temple marks the zenith of Odisha temple architecture, an unparalleled marvel globally. It celebrates the power of the sun, the theme of cosmic unity, and the role of time in human existence. It remains a major pilgrimage destination and a powerful symbol of Odisha's rich cultural heritage. Though partly ruined by natural forces and possibly human intervention, the temple continues to draw countless visitors. Efforts by the Archaeological Survey of India and UNESCO have been crucial in preserving this magnificent site. Each year, the Konark Dance Festival celebrates classical Indian dance traditions against the illuminated backdrop of the temple. The Sun Temple at Konark is far more than a historical relic. It is a living witness to the creative and spiritual aspirations of medieval Odisha. It continues to fascinate art lovers, historians, architects, and spiritual travelers alike, embodying a timeless legacy of human achievement.